LG TV works greatly on LG's own soundbar using LG SoundSync and other optimized connectivity. But you can also connect soundbar from other brands like Samsung, Sony, Hisense, and more. There are several options to connect to a non-LG soundbar to an LG Smart TV. The most universal method is using an HDMI ARC audio return channel connection. Late model LG TV have HDMI ARC ports specially for sending audio to a soundbar. Simply use an HDMI cable from TV HDMI ARC port to the soundbar HDMI import. This carries both audio and video over one cable. If your TV does not have HDMI ARC, you can use an optical digital audio connection. This carries multi-channel sound from the LG TV to optical input on your soundbar. Make sure to set the TV audio out settings to optical rather than TV speaker. For a soundbar with HDMI port but no HDMI ARC, you can connect an HDMI cable from the LG TV to the soundbar HDMI in. Then use a separate optical cable from the TV optical out to the soundbar optical in for sending audio. Now let's begin. All we need to do is to connect the HDMI cable to the soundbar. Make sure it's properly plugged. On the soundbar, let's select the option we want to use. For the purpose of this video, we are selecting the ARC, that is the ARC option, that is audio return connection. Alright, this is it. Then on the TV we have 3 HDMI ports, 2 at the edge and 1 at the back. Okay, there is 1 at the back. Make sure you select the one that is written ARC, that is the ARC audio return connection, and plug the HDMI cable in it. Now, how do we know if our TV is connected to the soundbar? Alright, so our TV, let's go to the home screen to check. Okay, here we have it. This is it, written HDMI ARC device, that is HDMI ARC device. This is the name of the soundbar below, AX301G. Okay, we have successfully connected our soundbar with our LG 55 inches TV. So guys, I've come to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to this channel for more interesting tips like this. Thank you.